Guys, here we do it. Here we're going to do it. We're going to talk about functions, domain, and range today. And by the end of this lesson, I hope that you can determine if a graph or a table is a function and what its domain and range is. So, or are. Maybe I should say are on that one. So let's just start by a little definition right here. A function is a relationship between two variables, such that each value of the first variable is paired with exactly, and this keyword, each value of the first variable is paired with exactly one value of the second variable. Okay, that's what makes a function a function. So if I have an x and a y column, this is my first variable, my x column, right, between two variables, such that each value of the first variable, the x variable, has exactly one value of the second variable. So if I had 1, 1, 0 for this, and I have a 2 here, and a 3 here, and a 4 here, I have 1 paired up with the 2, but I have 1 paired up with 3 as well, so that would make it not a function. So this won't be a function, but that's what it's saying, that this would have to be like maybe a 2 here to make it a function. And so to do this graphically, when we want to figure out if a graph is a function, we have this special little thing. A graph is a function if it passes a certain rule, and what I call that rule is called the vertical line test. And so I usually use my pencil for the vertical line test, but in this situation I got this nice red line, and we're going to take a look at both of these functions right here, and we're just going to see, hey, are they functions or not? So here's the key thing. When you take this vertical line, if this vertical line ever passes over 2 points at once on a graph, that graph is not a function. So as you can see, this vertical line almost everywhere is touching 2 points, right? It's touching right here and right here at the same time. Because it touches 2 points at the same time, this is not a function. Let's try the vertical line test on this one. Remember, we're looking to see if it ever touches 2 points at the same exact moment in time. If it never does, it is a function. I'm looking good. This is looking really good, right? Look at that. This one looks like it is a function because it never touched 2 points at one time, that vertical line. So this is a function. So this is kind of the start for this. We're going to be talking about functions, domain, range, and we're going to start to see what is a function, what isn't a function. And right off the bat, we're using this vertical line test to test whether these graphs are functions.